The excavator is trapped in the icy grip of the frozen lake, its wheels struggling against the hardened surface. Despite efforts to free it using a crane, the rescue attempts have proven futile. The frigid waters below add an extra layer of challenge, making the extraction process even more daunting. Each attempt to lift the excavator only seems to embed it deeper into the icy hold. With time ticking and the weather unforgiving, the team faces a race against nature to salvage the machinery from its icy prison.